Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to show you some Forex trading. Today we got some NFP news coming out. This is how I mark my charts up. We've got a down trend. It's going down. Okay. The yellow line is where the market's at currently. The red line is where I'm placing my stop loss. I may go up to the top of those candles right there, just to get out of the barroom brawl is what we call it. And that's my take profit down there. That's more than one to, that's about a 2-to-1 win to loss ratio. Now let's go look and see what kind of news we got coming out. We're gonna go up here to FX Street. Look at their non-farm payrolls. Now this is fixing to be live. U.S. February jobs report to influence the Fed's next policy step. Live coverage. All right. You got all kinds of currency pairs that you could be trading, but this is how you read the news. You wait for a major news release. Look at here, they've got the Euro USD, US dollar index finds support above 105, NFPI. The US dollar index is attempting a tepid bounce to trade near 105.20, having found fresh buyers just around 105.00. The spot is still down 0.10% on the day. Investors resorted to profit taking on the USD longs amid the hawkish Fed Powell's led rally and ahead of the all-important US NFP data. That means that people are selling the dollar. They're probably expecting a bad NFP report, so they're selling out, and that creates a down on the market. But technically, it's looking like it's in position for a sell. If it continues on trend going down, it's been going up and down, so we'll see what happens today. Either way, you place the trade and you go on your way. The GBP USD may be a better thing to look at. See what it says. It says the GBP USD, the British pound is aiming to recover the $1.20 threshold versus its American rival, the dollar. The pair has advanced ahead of the event. Okay. But sellers are defending the $1.20 price zone. The near-term picture suggests it's losing upward momentum, but anything can happen with the NFP report. Resistance can be found at around, okay, you see what it says? Anything can happen with the NFP report. So let's see if we can get on this NFP report. Let's go over here and look at the FOREX factory news. And let's go to the calendar. If we can get it to cooperate with us. Let's go down to, when's today, Friday? We're getting some alerts. Friday. Is it Friday? Let me go over here and look and see. Yeah. Alright, we got USD, non-farm, unemployment. Oh, we got some numbers coming out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at here. Oh, yeah. China's kicking some butt. You see them green numbers? Yeah, that's some of this stuff. Well, let's see. Those are some medium impact. We're waiting on these right here. These are Canadian numbers and United States numbers. And when them numbers come out green or red, those numbers right there are about to move the markets. And you can place your trades accordingly. Now, I don't have any live trades going. I'm just showing you how this works. Look at there. Bam, bam, bam. We got some Canadian green numbers. We got some USD red numbers. Okay, that's not going to be good for the pair that we were just looking at. Look at there. We already hit our stop. The news just came out and we already hit our stop. That's how quick it works, ladies and gentlemen. Those numbers were against us. Bam. That's why you wait till the news comes out. Now you would place your trade right when that come out. Y'all see how that worked? That's how you make the big money or lose it. If you place your trade with the market, so you can go back and do some research. Now it's going to come back down. Now you could probably do a sale and catch it right now. So we'd move this up and we'd get on a sale right now. Let's move this up to here. Let's move this up to here. Let's get on a sale. We're still over 1 to 1 on our profit win-loss ratio. Let's see if it hits that. Let's see if it hits that old red bar again. It could continue up. It's on a downtrend. We don't want to place any trades against our trend. So, in all reality, I would probably watch this very closely and move my stop loss up above here accordingly. And I would probably go to a lower time frame than the 4 hour and wait and watch and be patient. And if that candle right there goes up any higher and stops and starts forming a 15-minute red candle coming down, and it closes with a red candle, I would be getting on a sale. But let's just watch and see what happens. It shot up. It's going to continue back on the trend because that's not going to be a trend-changing amount of news. It shouldn't be. I mean, there's some other news that could come out with it to help change the trend, but it's a down trend. But that's how it works. We just did that one in live time to show you how the news works. Look, it's pushing on up. So it could go on up and hit that red. Yeah, it's pushing on up. But that's how the news works. Now, when it gets on up to the top, guess what? That's when we're going to get in on a trade. Let's move this on up. We're not on no trade yet, but we'll get on one. We're going to watch and wait. We're going to be patient. Like an old hunter. We're going to put that there. Look at here. We're going to move this on up. Uh-oh. I got to catch it first. Look at there, ladies and gentlemen. Just since that news come out. From down at the bottom of that candle, all the way there. That shot was down in the 105s, and it's already up in the 106. That's what news does. That's what news does. Now, there's all kinds of U.S. pairs going on. I'm going to end this video right now. I'm getting some messages from some people, and I'm using my phone to record it, so I've got to check. But we're getting ready for a return. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the market goes up and down. Overall, it's been going down. So right now, it's going up, and we want 2 down. So when it goes up and stops and turns and starts coming down, we want to get on the sale to return the trend. Okay? That's the market. That's how it works. and we're going to take profit right down here at that 105. It's either going to hit or it's not. We want to get that red line as close to that yellow line as we can. So we're going to be patient. We're going to watch the market and see what it does. And then we're going to, this is how the market works. This is it. You can take money from it all day and all night for 5.5 days a week, 24/7. Very simple. News just came out. Bam. We'll go back over here to FOREX Factory and take a look at the news. And we saw them red numbers. Well, we got a green number there that come out higher than expected. That was the number they were expecting. So see, you can come over here and see the numbers they're expecting, and you can go ahead, and some people place trades prior to the news. I place it as it happens. So see, we would have got stopped out if we'd have placed that trade before. But we haven't placed any trades. Now we can go get on our MetaTrader. Let's just open it up. Well, actually, I'm not going to open my MetaTrader because I've got my FTMO on my MetaTrader, and we're not going to place no trades on MetaTrader because that's my FTMO account. But we can open it up and look at it, and I'll show you how. I'll come over here. I go to my MetaTrader. Yep, we're looking at sell positions on Euro USD, the most highly traded commodity on the face of this green earth, blue earth, crooked earth right now. We're going to help some people get that fixed, though. We're just waiting on this to load up. Y'all want to hear some stories while we're waiting? No, I keep my stories myself today. I was told to keep my stories myself. There's the Euro USD. It tells us right there. Look at there. She was going up 0.41% just in the last few minutes. Look at there. The GBP USD is up because the dollar got weak. The GBP is getting stronger. The USD got weaker. Look there. That's a good one. Let's go look at the GBP USD real quick. Let's go over here. Watch this. Here's the DXY. It's going to be going down. The dollar strength. Look at there. There's that big candle. What'd I tell you? We just went and looked. There she is. You see how that works? The US dollar's going down. The euro was going up. The GBP's going up. So if the dollar's going down, automatically whatever's against it is going up in value. That's what you want to find on the Forex. You want to find one currency pair going down in value and one going up, or one going up and one going down. You make money. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know how much money that is right there? That big red candle? People don't understand what causes these big blue candles and these big red candles. We just saw it firsthand. It's not just Joe Blow down at the bank pushing some buttons or something because he wants to stop you out like a bunch of you think. No, it's the news. It's economic data news. That's why they call it fundamental drivers. Now you can go and learn to interpret that news, and you can pull money out of these markets 24/5.5. It's that simple. It's that simple. You see? Now let's go back over here and let's look at the GBP USD. We're going to go right up here. This is Trading View, by the way. And we're going to look at the GBP USD. I'm just old dumb country boy. You know, I'm just old dumb country boy. Somebody acting like that the other day. Oh, it's some idiot. What's right, right, and what's wrong is wrong. GBP USD. Look at here. Look at here, ladies and gentlemen. We should have been down here, right there, and caught that one. Look at here. It's going up. Only thing is, we got another downtrend. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to wait till this sucker gets up to where it's at and starts heading down. And we're going to get this stop loss as close to it as we can. We're going to place it right at the top of that wick. Now, we're going to watch it real close. And then we're going to take this one and we're going to go way down here. Because what do you think, ladies and gentlemen, is going to get stronger? The USD or the GBP? Right now, the GBP is beating out the USD, but that's fixing to change. It's going to go back to the long-term trend, and the USD is going to start whooping up. This is a perfect opportunity to be getting in a trade. Just remember, ladies and gentlemen, GBP USD sell. And that's a huge win-to-loss ratio. You understand what I'm saying? But we got to be patient. We got to watch it. You can change your time frame right there. I can't see good when and you can go to a 15-minute. Let me see. Let me get over here so I can see. I'm trying to teach y'all this. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame. That means each one of them candles is a 15-minute candle. And we can wait. See? That's a short-term uptrend. That's that retracement. Okay, you got to learn this. Don't look at the 15 minute and say, oh, we're on an uptrend. That's the short term. That's the short term. Now, once that candle closes out, you can even go down on the time frame. I would wait for a 15-minute red candle. And when you got a 15-minute red candle coming down, you might not even wait that long. You could go ahead and place the trade now. I would, personally. Whether you win, lose, or draw, place the trade and walk away. And don't be don't be worried about if it hits, because you'll get the next one. And if you got your win to loss ratios right, well, okay, let's go back and look real quick. Let's go back and look where we was at. Let's go back down here to the 4-hour time frame. Each one of them candles 4 hours. If it was me, I would be tempted to go ahead and do a sale immediately and watch it and adjust my stops accordingly. I'd just leave my stop right there, actually. I'd watch it another few minutes, and if it starts creeping down, I would probably go ahead and do a sale. That's about all it's going to do. It looks like, unless some more news comes out, there's no GBP news fixing to come out to push it in any direction. All the USD news is done for the day. It's Friday. I would go ahead and think about doing a sale and getting it on a position. You might wait till the market opens Sunday. You might do it now. You got lots of choices to think about. Personally, me, I would go ahead and do it. I'd set it up because that's an awesome setup. If you wait around all day, it may go down and you're not going to have that win to risk ratio. Look at there. You see what I'm saying when I'm saying you're taking a chance on losing $1, and if it goes down there, you're making $15, $20. You see what I'm saying? So she's trying to push up. So let's just wait and see what happens. I don't think she's going to go above those wicks right there, but we don't know. It's better to watch. The higher position you get on this candle, the more down it's going to go when it turns. You understand? So your position means everything. Your position means everything. Now, if you'd have got it down there, you'd be way in the negative. Yeah, it's going to turn and come back, more than likely, but you would have to be in the negative all the way from here back down to here. So the higher this candle goes, the better it is. So watch it, be patient. And then whenever it turns and you got a confirmation candle, a red candle on a lower time frame, like 15 minute, 10 minute, something like that, then you get on the trade. I'm going to say it's not going to go much higher than that. That's going to be about as high as it goes, more than likely. You can go and use your fib tools and draw all that out if you wanted to, just to see your Fibonacci lines. The Fibonacci is a sequence in nature that you can use to accurately predict to the pip sometimes, a lot of times, where that retracement is going to go based on the strength of this downtrend and the pullback. See, there's a ratio there. It goes down so much, it goes up so much. It goes down so much, it goes up so much. The more it goes down, the more it goes up, because is what's happening is people are making money. Okay, well, they start getting out of the trades and it pushes it up. Okay, well, they start buying and it pushes it up higher. Then they start coming down. They're making money. That's how it's just people making money, people losing money, people making money, people losing money, people, you know. If somebody's making, somebody's losing. We want to be the makers, the takers, yeah, the winners. Because this market right here is unlimited, $6 trillion a day. But there you go. I would probably be getting in me a position right about now, be honest with you. And I'd mark it just like that. I'd get in it, I'd set it, and I'd turn away from it. And I'd go have me a good weekend. I'd come back Sunday afternoon in Texas, in Nacogdoches, Texas, the crookedest town in Texas. Sunday afternoon at 4 o'clock is when the market opens. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Y'all have a good one. You seen the news. You seen how the market reacted. You learn this, and there's no man on this earth that can take that away from you, and you can make money anywhere on this earth with an internet connection and a phone. And that's it. You just saw this in live time. Thank you. God bless you. And you people out there being gang stalked, we working on that. We working on it. Ask me about what's going on. And I'm talking to an investigator on some group investigations to link all this together, not just one agency, but it's a federal situation. And we're going to see why the Department of Justice says it's an epidemic, but they're the ones that's maybe causing it. All right, you guys have a good one. God bless you.